welcome back to my first video I've ever had. So, yeah. So today I'll be playing with my sister. There she is. And we'll be playing Murder Mystery. So she's already in. Never mind, she's not. She'll get in a second. I'll just wait for her for 1,000. Actually, I'll just join. Who cares? She'll just join me.
So what his channel is going to be about?
My channel will be about Roblox. As you guys know, my name is, I'm going to be changing my name to something else that I still haven't thought of. So yeah. So actually I'm going to have to
And go check out my channel.
Join.
Go check out my channel. It's
Okay.
Kayla and
she is joining me, so hold that.
go check my channel. It's Kayla and Kayla's videos.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, guys. It's really laggy. What the hell? Okay. Okay, it's getting less laggy.
Touch was started.
She's never played. So joining a friend. What's this mean? Wait, what is it? What do you want help? Okay. Join. Okay. Okay, I'm actually joining where she is. So what's happening? Okay.
My name's Arrow02.
By the way, guys, go follow me, and my name's Oh, I'm already playing. Oh God, I'm the sheriff. Oh no, I hate being the sheriff. I'm terrible. No. Oh, I was just being peaceful. What the heck? I was just being peaceful. Then I got murdered. Just okay. Great start. Hey, great start. Actually, I'm gonna put this off and put. Wait 1 second, guys. I'll put you there for a second, and I'll move you back. Sorry. Yeah, I'll put you back. So, Kayla, what's wrong with you? What the heck?
I don't know what's happening.
Oh, there. Join. It makes sense. Oh, why want a game? Why? No. So, leave game. Leave.
It's really laggy, the game.
I know. So I'm going to join. Okay. It's very confusing, but okay. So she's joining me. Yep. She's joining. Yep, she's joining me.
Guys, my brother got a new laptop.
Yeah, that's what I'm calling on. So you're joining. Join. Yes, here you wait. Kayla, here you go. I'm right there. Hey!
That's not my name, though.
What do you mean? There she is.
No, I am.
Arrow02.
Can't move.
Yes, you're not loaded in. Why is the game so laggy? It's not usually this laggy. Oh God.
I can't move. Oh gosh, that's gonna pick up vision.
Okay, my laptop is not loading in everything. On her screen, everything's loaded in, not on mine. So Kayla, I'm right there. So when I'm gonna go and vote. Can we vote yet? No. Unless we've already been able to vote. So Kayla, I have played on that account. I have 5 and I have 10. Actually, you guys can't see that.
So one of them is his computer account and one of them is his Apple account.
Because I forgot my account on my better account. So this is my laptop one.
You can go join
because I have so
as
much.
well.
Kaylee right there. So go follow Kayla or send her a friend request at Pineapple Head
20.
and what's the other one?
No,
It's just
doesn't
that?
matter.
Okay. So I'm just gonna do some dances. Okay, do you know how to dance? If I knew where what the hell is my mouse? I can't see my mouse. Where the heck is my mouse?
Put in the corner. Should put in the corner.
Wait, what
There's
is it?
someone.
Oh, everything's loading in. Yes.
Are you
Yes.
Park? Someone just said, "Are you Park?"
speaking to you. Because I have Perk's merch and everything. Say no in chat.
Because I'm a fan. What does that mean?
Should we trick him and say yes? Perk is a famous YouTuber and I have his sloth merch.
Yes.
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 Yes. Oh my god, it's gonna be so funny. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, what is he saying?
He's taking something. Are you recording? Yes.
This is so fun.
This is so funny.
Are you good?
Hi.
Hi! Well, he's saying hi to you guys, but not really Perk's, man. That's so funny.
Guys, we just can't.
Look, he's gone crazy that he's in Perk's video, but he's not. This is so much fun.
It's on another channel, but he's still on
Okay,
YouTube.
we're loading into a game. Okay. I'm innocent.
Murderer.
Oh god, I'm
What
gone.
does that mean? What does that mean?
So, you have a sword, so you can press the sword and you can kill people.
Where's my sword?
Huh?
Where's my sword?
Your sword is right here. So I'll show you what to do. So, see those people right here? Oh, you just killed me! Oh, I'm just killing everybody for you. I'm killing everybody for you. I'm just killing everybody for you.
I never played this, so he's helping me.
I killed myself! Wow, that's so sad. I killed myself. Okay, I'm just gonna hide the weapon. Killed that person. Sorry guys, you can't see your screen. Come on, I love being murder. Being murder on a laptop is so much harder, bro. Okay, Kayla, you entertain. I'll just play Dance Moves for you guys.
No.
Okay. I'm following someone's steps right now. Wait 1 second. Lady?
It's weird. I'm actually over this way, but then it shows me that way.
There we go. Okay, you keep playing. You know how to play. Come on.
No, I don't know how to play.
Okay. Okay, have you killed everybody?
Okay, so I'm going to be playing on my brother's computer and see if anyone else.
What the heck is
How do you walk on this thing?
W? Hey, you won! Okay, get out of my spot. Move. Kayla, move. Kayla, get off.
So confusing.
Kayla, get off.
Oh my god.
Alright,
So
touch me.
confusing.
And arrow 021 because of me! Oh, I killed that person. So
Oh, that guy keeps coming up to me.
So we're gonna play one more game.
Kaylin, that guy keeps coming up to me.
It's funny. He really does think you're Perk. Oh my god. I on that account I actually have friended Perk, but he hasn't accepted. Perk, accept me, please. Dancing. Okay, it's gonna be our last game. Then I'm gonna finish the record. I'm innocent. Kayla, learn your language. Okay, I'm just literally. Okay, too much people here.
Guys, I can't even move.
Oh, remember you can hide behind here.
God, I can't move.
Okay, I'll be hiding here. Thank you.
God,
I'm
I can't
hiding.
move.
Fast. Kayla. Fast.
You should actually do it for me because people, because that guy
I'll hide you.
thought that guy.
Hello, I'll hide you, Kayla. I'll hide you. Yeah, you got a hiding spot. Okay. Stay right there. Don't move. Okay. Now it's just time to wait. Actually, Kayla, you stay in a hiding spot. Oh god. Okay. I'm actually gonna go try and be sheriff and get the weapon. Hello?
Oh no.
Are you? Oh god.
Oh what?
Oh whoa. Okay, guys, that's our last game. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. I hope you like, subscribe, and do stuff. See you next time. Goodbye.